What to know about peptides the FDA is considering for use. The Food and Drug Administration's Advisory Committee met on Thursday to discuss whether compounding pharmacies should be permitted to manufacture 7 peptides that had previously been barred over safety worries. Despite the ban, compounds such as BPC 157, TB 500 and KPV have found a following among consumers who obtain them from longevity clinics, alternative health practitioners, biohacking influencers, and even TikTok videos. These peptides are often made in unregulated laboratories, frequently located in China, and are marketed as research-grade substances. The agency is studying the peptides for specific medical indications, including the treatment of ulcerative colitis, insomnia, and osteoporosis. However, the same compounds are promoted for a wide range of other purposes, which could become permissible if the drugs were cleared for any use. FDA staff scientists examined the available research and recommended against granting approval, citing a shortage of human safety and efficacy data. One of the most discussed peptides is BPC 157, sometimes called body protection compound or Bepicin. The FDA is evaluating it as a potential therapy for ulcerative colitis, and it is also advertised as reducing gastrointestinal inflammation, preventing ulcers, and supporting muscle and joint healing. When paired with another peptide, TB 500, it has earned the nickname Wolverine compound after the Marvel superhero. A handful of small human studies have hinted at benefits for knee pain, bladder-related discomfort, or ulcerative colitis symptoms, but each study had notable flaws. 2 lacked a placebo control and the third was not published in a peer-reviewed journal. Animal research suggests BPC 157 may aid in healing lesions of the stomach and small intestine and may help with musculoskeletal damage. No serious adverse events were reported in those human trials, yet a few side effects have been logged with the FDA, including one incident that resulted in an emergency room visit. Limited animal safety data raise concerns that the peptide could influence blood clotting and liver function. The FDA's review also flags a general worry that the peptides under review could provoke a dangerous immune reaction, especially when administered by injection or inhalation. Another peptide under consideration is KPV, which is derived from a hormone produced by the pituitary gland. The agency is looking at KPV for wound healing and inflammatory skin conditions, where it would be delivered as a cream or gel. Promoters also claim it can strengthen the immune system, treat inflammatory bowel diseases, protect against nerve damage and stroke, and assist recovery from COVID-19, Lyme disease, and mold toxicity. Supporting evidence comes from a few mouse and cell-based studies, though human data remains sparse. In sum, while interest in these peptides continues to grow outside traditional medical channels, the FDA emphasizes that current research does not demonstrate sufficient safety or effectiveness to allow widespread compounding pharmacy production. That's the latest on the FDA's peptide review. Thanks for listening.